Welcome, teacher friends of Meghalaya State. Here for you, the Meghalaya teacher eligibility test, which will be held on August month. For which I come with the questions and the concept. How can you the main feature is to face any exam, you have to clear your concept. So I have some points about child development and pedagogy, which carries 30 marks. 30 marks is so much important, and child development and pedagogy comes in each category, like mathematics, like EBS, your genuine language, like Khasi, Garo, any language. Child development and pedagogy comes 10 marks in each category, and especially child development and pedagogy comes with 30 marks as a special category in first category of your questions, which carries 30 marks. We will discuss about the child development pedagogy, and we will do the same, and we will do the clear the concept of child pedagogy. And I have prepared MCQ questions. MCQ questions like multiple choice question, means which pattern you face in your exam. Means there is a question and you have face four options are there, and you have to choose one of them. And I have prepared 350 plus questions from child pedagogy. Means in shortcut it is called CDP. Okay. CDP, from CDP I have prepared 350 questions, which is most important questions, and which will be helpful for your next coming examination of MTET, like Meghalaya teacher eligibility test. You can get the PDF of my 350 questions by WhatsApping me in this number. By just WhatsApp me 8197075017, and I would like to inform you that I will prepare all the category MCQs, like EVS, like EVS, math, and all the category. Okay, all the category EVS, math, and English. Okay, all the category I will prepare the PDFs, and you can, by which you can prepare yourself for more to get more knowledge. And I would like I will prepare myself to give you the lessons in videos in this YouTube channel, like my YouTube channel name is Assignment Teacher YouTube channel. Okay, you should prepare your study and crack Meghalaya teacher eligibility test. I will give you the 100% you can crack, no problem, no issue. I saw your questions, Meghalaya teacher eligibility test previous question. They are so easy, like if you compare with CTET, if you compare with IFETET or any other state teacher eligibility test, Meghalaya teacher eligibility test question is so easy, and you can crack it easily. Okay, just follow my guide, and just follow my channel Assignment Teacher YouTube channel, and WhatsApp me to get the PDF, and by which you can prepare yourself for better result. Okay, let's friends start with the main picture of this video. That concept of development is the first point has mentioned in your syllabus. If you have not got the syllabus, just WhatsApp me in that number. I will give you the syllabus, what type of question and what topic was mentioned for which topic are mentioned for your MTET. Okay. I have prepared that concept development. I have maintained so important points which will be helpful for you. Just note down the important point which are which I have bold it and color it in another type. Okay, the first point I have mentioned that development depends on the maturation and myelination of nervous system. Okay, development and maturation, the main point is, and you have to remember the only words. You have to remember only the words, not only anything. Just teacher eligibility test is a game of words. Okay, just a game of words. You have to remember the linking with the words. Okay, just as concept of development means development connect with maturation. Okay, then myelination, it is also connected with development and the nervous system. Okay, then the sequence of the development is the same for children. Okay, the sequence is all for same for all. Okay, Jimiti, as like for the children, as like for the adult, as like for the old man also. Okay, then sequence is same, but there is a difference, that the rate of development, how much development is going on in a human body, that is varies from child to child. Okay, that is varies from child to child. It depends upon the environment and heredity. Okay, it depends on the environment and heredity. Okay, the next point is certain primitive reflexes anticipate corresponding voluntary movement and have to be lost before the voluntary movement develops. Okay, certain primitive reflexes anticipate corresponding voluntary. Okay, the next point, development follows a direction and a uniform pattern. This is the most important questions are coming from these points. Development, it follows direction, it goes one direction. Okay, that it doesn't go like as like it goes from a proper direction which is mentioned or which is prepared before, and all the child and all the according to the all person, the direction is going on a proper direction. Okay, uniform pattern also. Generalized mass activity given way to specific individual responses. Okay, this is main important point, specific individual responses. Principle of hierarchical integration, development lacks uniformity of rate. Hierarchical integration principle, according to hierarchical integration, development lacks uniformity of rate. Next, development is a continuous process from concept. This is continuous process. These questions have come in your previous year exam of MTET. So you have to remember and you have to note down in your notes to prepare MTET. Okay, conception to maturity. Okay, development connect with maturity. Development proceeds from general to specific. It is also important. So much important. Principle of independence of system. Most traits of development are correlated. Okay, these are 1 point. Okay, these are one point. Most traits of development are correlated. Developments are correlated. Development is cumulative. Okay, development is cumulative. Development is a result of interaction of maturation and learning. Okay, interaction of maturation and which learning. Okay, that is I have already told you that development is a product of a contribution of heredity and another which is hidden, that is environment. Environment provides so much effect, environment effect on the child, on the person, so much to develop a child. Okay, hope you will like my video and subscribe my channel, and not forget to WhatsApp me to get the PDF of 350 MCQ of child and development pedagogy and child development and pedagogy. Okay, 350 plus question I have already prepared and you can get by WhatsApping me, and you can also call me through this number also. Thank you. And this child and development pedagogy will be helpful for paper 1 and paper 2 also. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.